Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and we're going to use this adorable kit from Plan with Manny. I have here the week of Father's Day. So this is my TPC Nation planner, and we're going to be using this for this week, even though we're not really celebrating Father's Day on Sunday. It's going to be the following Sunday. And then these are all the amazing full boxes. This has more than enough sheets. I don't think I need to pull in any extras. And look at this die cut. Tell me this die cut isn't adorable. I want to try to figure out where to use it. So I've got my little double-sided tape here. I do have some extra things off to the side there to add into it. I found a few things that I'll go over in a second. But look at these amazing boxes. So you get 9 full boxes and all references to all different James Bond movies. We used to watch James Bond movies with my father-in-law all the time because he loves James Bond. I don't know if he watches all the new ones, but definitely all the old ones, which these are basically all a lot of the old movies. And then this is your second page with your date covers and your glitter dividers. And then these are all washi strips, which I like to use Planning with Manny's washi in kind of weird ways. Then you've got some check boxes, a little menu box, and then my favorite page, which has my little TVs, which I love my little televisions. I did order a bunch of those. And then I've got some glitter here off to the side, some foil overlay. And then I want to use this because I've bought a few things, including a bunch more stuff from Planning with Manny. So I might put that down as well. I probably will put that down. And then here's where you can find Planning with Manny. They have their own site, and they also have an Etsy site, which I talked about before. If you are looking for something that you may not be able to find on their regular site, it just means it probably hasn't moved over yet from the Etsy site. So go check out the Etsy site as well. And that is where you'll find them. So I got the hollow, silver hollow glitter overlays, Scribble Prints Co., because I thought that they would go really good since there's all this silver glitter in the kit itself. I thought we'd just do the silver hollow over the top just to make it sparkly, and that's it. I'm not going to do anything crazy, not doing any overlay boxes. I'm just going to use the divider overlays. I've got my numbers here. This is a little freebie from Penny Pages, the Caitlin Made Me Do It one, and it's got the black, like the thick black outlines, and I thought that would go really good with this kit. And then I've got my Wacky Holidays right here from Craft Penguin planner. And then this is the same week, but in my other planner. So this is my Avalon and 9th, and I used one of the kits from Some Little Things, and then this is the Father's Day week for the week before. So this is Father's Day week. No, wait, did I mess up the dates? No, I didn't. Okay. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, why are the dates wrong? So that was my exclusive art for Father's Day. And then this is the day that we're actually having the barbecue. So I'm showing you like there, I've got the little Coco, and he's at the barbecue. It says Barbecue King on his little apron right there. And that is when we're having our family party. So I've got all of my little extras down here so I can fill out this week. We've got our game night. I've got my TVs to watch. So on Saturday, it's UFC on Saturday, and we're actually off that day. So I have it where it's supposed to be. I don't have to watch a rerun. And then this has like a weird, it's not very sparkly, but it's super cute. And it's like this matte bronze type foil over the top of it. So now I'm going to show you my B6 because I haven't been able to use any of the Lily's Little Cupboard, and this is my daily planner. So this is the one that I use to do all of my daily planning. Usually I use Coco Daisy in it, so you can see all my Coco Daisy stuff in there, but every once in a while I like to sneak in like a couple days where I put in just a fun kit in the daily, especially if it's a kit that specifically would go best as a daily planner kit. A lot of them, you know, like this one here it is literally, I think, 1 page. So there really wasn't enough in there to do multiple, like a whole week layout, unless you were going to be very, very sparse with it. But I thought it would be really cute in here. So I'm just kind of showing you all the little extras and where I keep everything. And this is my B6. This is my daily. This is the one that goes with me every single day to work or wherever I am. And I try to make sure I journal in it every day. And then you've got the Wacky Holidays, the date dots, and now we are going to get started putting down all of the good stuff. So for me, when I use the washi, I use it in a couple of different places because it's kind of skinny washi, which is good because then it gives you plenty of opportunity to kind of spread it around. And since this time I think I want to do the boxes in the middle because I'm kind of on it in the middle of the spread kick right now, I want to use the washi, the other washi that I decided to pick underneath all of the full boxes, which are going to go all the way across the middle, and it'll look amazing. In the sidebar, I'm not doing anything exciting in the sidebar. I'm not going to cover it up completely. I'm just literally going to make, so this week is already done when I'm doing this voiceover because I'm very, very far behind. So I have it open in front of me so I can look and see what was going on during the week. And again, this is another one of those ones where I had to do a voiceover, and I apologize for the voiceover last time and the voiceover this time. I'll be back on track this next time. I just finished the Plan With Me using Wild Adventure, which is our July kit. So there's a Plan With Me coming out with that just in a couple days. And then also the reveal of Wild Adventure, you know the name of it, but the reveal of Wild Adventure is also coming out soon. And that is our June. So it comes out June. Nope, sorry, July. I can't believe what month it's already July. You realize that where I live up in the north, it hasn't even gotten hot yet, and it's already almost July. Like right now, I don't know if you can hear it, but I have my electric heater because I have my shop slash office is in the basement of my house. So it stays pretty cold down here anyways, which is fantastic when it's like the middle of summer, August, and hot as heck. This is a great place to hang out. But during the rest of the year, I have like one of those fireplaces. I picked it up at, I think it was Lowe's or something like that, but it's a really pretty fireplace and it has an electric heater in it. And I have that on right now. And it is almost July. And I have that on right now because it's freaking cold in here. And it's, if you open the windows, like it's cold outside too. So it's not like it's just in my basement, it's cold outside. But today was a really, really nice day. It was sunny outside and we were able to get a lot of work done out in the yard, which we've been needing to do. I was kind of talking about it in my other Plan With Me, saying that this is the week that we need to get that done because we have our barbecue on the following Sunday. So I wanted the yard to be completely done because we bought a sandbox and we bought one of those splash pads, and we're picking up one of those little tykes, a slide for Raina, and so we wanted to make sure that the yard was under control and we had a space set aside for those things, and then get the deck done. So even though the deck right now it needs to be painted, and I'm gonna have to hire somebody because I'm not doing it, it's just too much work. Just the amount of work it took just to get the yard under control, because it literally looked like a jungle out there, is just, and how I feel after spending the day outside pulling weeds and edging and mowing and doing all the things. I'm not painting. I'm just not. I'm tired. I just can't do it. So I'm going to hire somebody to do that. And it's all good. It's fine. There comes a point in your life where you realize that you just can't do everything. And so you got to kind of concede to some of the things. And I like to like get rid of the things that I really didn't want to do anyways. And I really don't want to paint and sand a deck. So that's going to get done by somebody else. But we did clean it really good. And we put down I have a rug that goes on the deck, and I have the umbrella, and I have all the furniture out there and the barbecue and everything. So it's all decorated, lights are all up, it's ready to go, but it definitely needs a paint job before the winter hits. So, and what else did we do? So that's done. Ready for the barbecue on Saturday, and they all came over and helped today. So thankfully we had a lot of help. And oh, sand. I didn't realize, because I thought, oh, we'll just have sand delivered, but the amount of sand that they would deliver to your house for a little tiny sandbox is ridiculous for the price that you would have to pay. You need to get a lot of sand. So I decided, that was me showing you the cool font that I want to use. So that's I can't remember if it's font, I think that's font C. So if you go on my website and you look at all of the different scripts that I have, font C is the one that I'm using the numbers for. And on the date dots, when I make the date dots, this particular one has all three fonts. So you can get all three of them on one sheet, and that way you have date dots to match whatever font you decide to use for your date covers. Anyway, back to my story. Sand. Sand is expensive and you have to buy a lot of it. So we're going to go to Home Depot and we're just going to pick up bags of sand. But when I was looking at it, I'm like, how are we going to get this home? I'm going to have to make like multiple trips because I think my poor Jeep, I don't think my Jeep can handle more than like 10 bags of sand at a time because they're 50-pound bags, and 50-pound bags I don't have like one of those Jeeps that can pull a trailer. Like sometimes you see Jeeps that can pull a trailer. I don't have that type of a Jeep. So I'm going to have to make more than one trip. And that's another one of those days where I'm going to be exhausted because I'm going to be hoisting around 50-pound bags of sand. But I'm not really sure how much the sandbox takes. I mean, you can figure it out square footage, but I don't think I want to fill it all the way to the top. Otherwise, she's just going to topple out. I mean, it's an above ground sandbox. So I'm pretty sure that if I fill it all the way to the top, it's just a disaster waiting to happen because she'll just fall out of it every 5 seconds. So I'm looking for some stuff to add to my planner. And I can't remember what exactly I was looking for because right now I'm looking at my planner and I don't see that I pulled in anything extra from there. Oh, I know, the highlight of the day. I was looking to put that one and I wanted to put it on Sunday. I don't know why I picked Sunday because we didn't do anything on Sunday. We were at work, but I was kind of excited because on that day I actually wrote it in here because I was very happy. So I've been trying to find Adobe Illustrator like tutorials for planner people. So if you make your own planner stickers, I was looking for tutorials that are specifically for that because my brain does not want to learn Adobe Illustrator from top to bottom, inside and out. I just don't. I won't use it for any of the other things. I just wanted to use it to create my kits because I like the drop and drag and all that kind of stuff when I see other people using it, but there's no tutorials out there for people like me to learn. So it's either you're learning all of it from beginning to end, like a full-on course, or it doesn't have anything at all to do with creating planner stickers. So I'm kind of getting frustrated because I really wanted to learn it. And then I was watching some other people. I don't know if you've ever seen them, but occasionally you'll run across people who will say, design a kit with me. And they'll show them, they don't give you all the answers. They don't show you enough for it to really be a ton of information. Like it's obviously not like a tutorial type of a thing, but sometimes I can pick up little bits and pieces here and there and I can figure out exactly, what's going on and try to figure it out myself. So I was watching this one lady and she was doing a design a kit with me and she was using Silhouette Studio, which is what I use. And I was like, oh, that's stupid. I use that already. I already know everything there is to know about Silhouette Studio. Wrong. So now I'm like in a whole new world. Like I found this thing that she did on Silhouette Studio and I just started watching it and I'm like, I could totally do that. And I made a kit in like 15 minutes. And I don't mean just one kit. I mean I have it sitting up in front of me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sizes of a kit I made in like 15 minutes by following what she did and figuring it all out and laying it out the way that I laid it out. And so I am just like so excited. So because of that, up under highlights of the day, I actually put it in there because I was just so stinking excited to have learned that on Sunday. And I just came home and immediately started using it because I wanted to try it out and I did it and it's fantastic. So anyway, I think I'm going to stop beating myself up trying to find Adobe Illustrator tutorials and I'm just going to continue on with Silhouette Studio because I know it. I'm still learning new tricks. I just found this trick which is fantastic, so I'm just going to keep going with it and hope that since I bought a new laptop, I had to go buy another one. So I have an Apple, I have all Apple products. I have iMac, I have the Laptop Pro, I have all that. I have my iPad. That's what I draw my little doodles on. But my Mac Pro, my laptop is, I want to say, probably about 8 or 9 years old. And so she don't run the new programs very well. As a matter of fact, the Silhouette Studio that I'm running on that particular laptop is one of it's called a legacy program and it's an older one. It will not, like, if it tried to run the newest program of Silhouette Studio, it has tried before, it crashes my entire laptop. Like, it can't do it. It just can't handle it. So it also can't cut. Like, it won't connect to any of the new machines because I have all new machines, the Cameos. I've got all new Cameos, and the Cameos will only connect to the newer Silhouette Studio programs. So it won't connect to that either. So I can't run my computer's off of my MacBook and I can't run the newer program off of it. So basically it's just something that I take back and forth with me to work and to design on, because you can design on the older version of Silhouette Studio and it's not a big deal. But I did go out and buy a new one. So I have a new MacBook Pro, cost me an arm and a leg, but I have the new one to replace this one when this one finally decides to give out. Plus that one runs all of my machines. So that one is set up in the shop section of my office. and that is what runs all of the cameos. So not cameos, portraits. I have one cameo and it's bad. It's being punished. Its name is Sam, bad kitty, and it's being punished because it refuses to cut on the dotted line. It just won't. No matter how many times I try to run it through all of the little fixie programs, it won't do anything. So it's literally sitting on the top collecting dust, and I'll probably just throw it out. And now I'm kind of sad. As I'm showing you right now, I forgot to put down my car. Although if I had put it down, I would be missing all of those boxes and I wouldn't have enough spaces to write. So I'm kind of glad that I did. And it looks really cute because right now I have it clipped with a white magnetic, one of those page clips, and I have it clipped to the top of the page, and it looks really, really cute. So I'm okay with not putting it down, but it's still in the actual planner and I like it. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. I don't have a whole lot of other stuff to talk about for this week other than the subs closed on the 10th, and then I had them all out the door and down the road and mailed by, what did I get it? Everything mailed out by, I think it was Wednesday. So everything closed on the 10th. TPC sale happened during that, so I had all of the subs to get out, and I had all of the TPC orders to get out, and your girl like just busted butt and got everything out by Wednesday the 15th so that I could go back to work on Thursday. So I'm actually kind of proud of myself, except I did make some mistakes. So you people know who you are, and I'm very, very sorry. Like there was I got a couple of messages almost right away like, hey, I ordered 2 of this or I ordered 2 of that, and I don't know what happened, but I think I was rushing and my brain was just done. I was just exhausted, and so I missed a lot of stuff, but I got all that stuff already shipped out, so everything's good. I think everything's good. So now I'm just going to put the foil overlays over the glitter dividers here, and then I'm pretty much done. Like I've got a few little things to add to it. So I'm going to put some flags in there, and then I use the sidebar as like a, you do not forget, you really, really need to do this. And it basically has stuff like, don't forget to clean up the jungle. That kind of stuff is in the sidebar. So here it is. Looks fantastic. Absolutely love it. Planning with Manny Bond. Totally a hit. Absolutely love this. I totally forgot to put down my wacky holidays, but that is okay. And then this is where you get the clear pockets. This is what it looks like. That's the name of it, so that if you really want to go get those clear pockets, that's where you get them. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again with no more voiceovers, hopefully, probably very, very soon, actually within the next couple days. So thanks so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you again soon. Bye.